How to log in Wells Fargo account. Wells Fargo online banking logging. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into your Wells Fargo account online. If you need to check your balance, pay bills, or manage your account, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and go to the official Wells Fargo website at www.wellsfargo.com. If you're using mobile app, it's fine also. Now, once you're on the home page, you'll see a login section at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on sign on. Now, it will ask you for your username and password. Enter your username in the username field. This is the username you created when you signed up for online banking with Wells Fargo. Next, enter your password in the password field. Make sure you enter it correctly as the login will be case sensitive. Once you've entered both your username and password, simply click on the sign in button to proceed. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Wells Fargo account online.